Hey everybody, how's it going? So went to Home Depot, couple different Home Depots, just gonna put it in the same video. Also gonna give an update on the 20-ton shop press. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so we're gonna just open all the stuff I got from Home Depot. I went to Home Depot yesterday and today, and we're just gonna collaborate it into one video. So let's move the camera over, or the light over. Kind of just prop the camera up in the corner. So I picked up, and this is Rhino Tough HD heavy duty line. This is 0.105 inch, 200 feet, or it's 2.7 millimeters, 61 meters. I also picked up a 155 Rhino Tough Pro, 0.155 inch, or 2.9 millimeters. It's 100 foot. We're gonna give these a try. If this won't fit in my steel combi system, then I'll get a spool head that will fit this line. I'm pretty positive that the 105 will fit in my steel combi system. I do not think this will fit in the Milwaukee Quick Lock, but I always can do a video on that separately if you guys are interested. I can always, see if it will fit in the Quick Lock Milwaukee system. And we will be soon coming to the channel. We'll also be getting the Dewalt's new attachment system, the Flex Volt 60 volt OPE attachment system. There's supposed to be like 12 or 13 something attachments. I did mention that on a photo last year on my Instagram. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I did give you guys a sneak peek of the Flex Volt 60 volt OPE style quick lock system. It's not called Quick Lock from Dewalt. That's Milwaukee's thing. But move on. So I also grabbed these two Dewalt Pliers. Let me move this over and we can start sliding everything to the left. Alright, so move this over. Make it a little easier for you guys. So spoke about these real quick. I only bought small ones, 100 foot and a 200 foot, because I want to test them. That would give me an idea if I need to buy bigger spool heads for the weed eaters. I did also grab a couple Dewalt pliers. These are compound action diagonal pliers and compound action long nose pliers, and they're spring loaded, which is nice. They have a lock. So the part number, sorry about that guys. Part number for the compound action long nose pliers is Dog Whiskey Henry Tony 70277, which is kind of hard to see. Again, it's Dog Whiskey Henry Tony 70277. And the compound action diagonal pliers, which are also spring loaded. They have a handle lock. These are part number Dog Whiskey Henry Tony 70275. Dog Whiskey Henry Tony 70275. Let me grab little quick cutters. Try to make this video as fast as possible for you guys. I don't want to take up too much of your time. Okay, so they are spring loaded. They are very nice. They feel nice in the hand. These needle nose also, which these aren't made very well. Might have to take these back. Maybe see if I could get some straighter ones. Let's see, bring the light in. There you go. You can see the jaws are not very straight, but I also have wire cutter on here. They feel nice in the hand. These I hand picked out. These are a lot nicer for the jaws. They're a lot straighter. I figured these can come in handy. You know, the spring will help with cutting as well. They feel nice in the hand too. Next, and this is a little item from Lowe's. I grabbed another one of these 6x, these Cobalt 6x speed 32-piece screwdriver set double drives. And the reason I grabbed this one is because they had a bunch of blue ones. I'd never seen the purple. I haven't seen the purple in any of these styles. But here's the other 6x that I have, and it's blue. Let me change the color temperature. Turn the color temperature down. Okay. There you go. You can actually see when I turn the color temperature to yellow, warm light, it shows up as this purple color. So, hold on guys, let me fix the, oops. There. Alright, so trying to compare these. Blue, purple. There you go. These are both double drives. They're both 6x speed. Let me turn it. There you go. This one, actually, the cap is removable. It's threaded. This one, the cap doesn't come off. You can't open the cap at all. I think the cap on this one's glued. This one, the cap is actually threaded. So you can store stuff in the handle. Just kind of nice. Pick that up. Figured I'd just throw the one item I got from Lowe's in there so you guys can see it. Alright, so let's move the light back up. Okay. Move the light back a little further. Alright, so grabbed a couple bow shackles in silver and 2 in black. These guys right here. Now these I'm going to be using and I will be mentioning in this video doing the shop press. I did a separate video on the shop press. You'll see it before this. So the top piece that mounts to the top of the rails that the bottle jack presses up against, and the bottle jack mounts here, is green. So the bottle jack's green, this is green, the 2 legs are green, the supports for the legs are green, the springs are gray, a primer right now. They're going to be a copper color. The press plates are black. The feet are green. Bottle jack's in that corner. These guys are going to be navy blue. So press plate and the bottom, the adjustable the adjustable rack. I can't remember the name of it at the moment. I'm sure you guys will all correct me. But this is what the item you're pressing against sits on. That's going to be blue. I'm going to be using these to help me paint these guys. Because these guys are bulky and heavy, I'm going to actually hang them from the shackles, from these shackles. And then I'll use the shackles for something else down the road. I'll have to take these plastic rubbery sleeves off. I also got 2 in black. These are for the truck. Move the bag out the way. So the black ones are for the truck. Here. Okay. Grab some items for my wife's garden. Okay, these are Gopher Gassers. My wife already used one, as you can see. They're good for pocket gophers, moles, ground squirrels, Norway rats, skunks, woodchucks. They're also good for voles. We have a vole problem. It's stealing all of our plants. So I grabbed some of those for my wife's garden. This is the hardware that I picked up for the chains, which is the chains and everything. And these are going to be to help me mount these are actually going to help me hang those shot press parts. So here's, I just had them at Home Depot cut me a 2.5 foot chain. It's $11 for the chain. It wasn't a lot. It's like 2 something a foot. We grabbed 2 small 3/8 by 16 thread pitch course, and then these are the same 3/8 by 16 course, but these are 1.5 inch and these are 1 inch. So the little ones are to physically attach the chain to itself. So you put it through 2 of the links like that, as an example. And then the long ones are to wrap, attach the chain at the bottom so it's hanging from the shackles. Then we got just a couple hardware kits. You know, these have washers, twisted washers, create a bolt nut washer and lock washer. Yeah, lock washer set. So it has regular nuts, flat washers, lock washers. I grabbed 2 of them. And then I also grabbed some extra 3/8 washers in singles. They were 17 cents. Should be 8 of them. These 8 right here are for the bolts. That's everything that was picked up today and yesterday for. So the black ones are going on the truck. These will probably go on the truck. You know, they're gonna get splattered with paint. That's why I bought these. The chains are gonna be splattered with paint. So I'm gonna wrap the chain around these. This is going to be hanging from the gazebo in the front yard. You guys see it all the time. I use it for a lot of things, including painting, hanging stuff from to paint, everything like that. So all I'm gonna do is slide this over the gazebo, slide the pin in, wrap the chain through here, and then this guy, I'm going to hang it from here. I'm going to paint all of it after I blast it, all the paint off of it, grind the paint off of it, however I'm going to do it. Same with this bottom piece. I'm going to hang it from here. I'm going to paint all of it. Then once it's dry, I will paint where I hung it from separately. And also, the legs are right here. I have the heater on in my house, so they're drying pretty quick. So all of this I picked up for my wife for her garden. She's been telling me for months that she wanted some gardening stuff, and we're using our crappy Arizona dirt anyways. And for the little amount of fertilizer we put in the dirt, I've burned, sure you guys saw, but all the Milwaukee tools that I've bought, burned all those boxes, and every box that I've gotten from ordering tools and anything like that, I've burned. We're putting the ash in the garden, which is probably why there's a garden and the plants are growing so well. My wife will do a separate video on this. If you guys want to go check her out on her channel, I'll leave a link up here for you guys. But we got raised bed and potting mix. She wants to use this bag for the plants that she starts from seeds in the house. This is Amend garden soil for flowers and vegetables. We got 2 bags of this. This is Grow Mulch, which is 2-in-1 planting mix and mulch. We grabbed 2 of these guys. And we grabbed 6 of these Grow King steer manures bags. And the steer manures are 1 cubic feet. Both of these are 2 cubic feet. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8 cubic feet. And this one's 2 cubic feet. So it's 10 cubic feet. And then there's 6 of these at once, so there's 6 cubic feet. My wife wanted to try this Kellogg brand. We've been hearing a lot of good things about it. And 99% of the Kellogg stuff is organic. I don't think I've seen anything that didn't say organic on it. It says Kellogg Garden Organics on the tag. It says family owned, locally made. Figured, heck, we give it a try. It says OMRI listed for organic use. So it does have tags on it stating that it is recommended for organics usage. You know, we'll see how they turn out, see if my wife likes them, and you know, just because we needed some manure, you know. Manure will make the soil better, but I'll leave that to my wife to explain. I'm not a plant person, but so this Amdro, we'll let you guys know down the road. I'll update you guys down the road if this stuff actually got rid of the voles. The voles are actually stealing whole plants. We have a 3.5 foot tall tomato, 2 to 3.5 foot tall tomato plants, and they ate the roots off of them. We had a purple eggplant called a Black Beauty eggplant. It was large. We bought it from Summer Wind's nursery, and it was in the yard for a few months, and they literally drug the whole plant down into the ground, and they just ate it. But you know, and we've had a lot of lettuce plants, the same problem. But so I will do another update on this. Maybe I'll update you guys while I'm painting these. I don't know. But the 2 silver shackles, they're winch bow shackles. This one says winch bow shackle, 9,500 pounds. This one says bow shackle silver, 9,500 pounds. It looks like they changed the packaging. This one looks like it's a newer packaging. It's a lot nicer. 1001-821-501. Same part number. The 1005-425-153 is the black. They're the same, 9,500 pound working capacity. You know, hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. I do appreciate your guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching. And go check out the Amazon affiliate links, the Acme Tools affiliate links, the DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as the Ohio Power Tool affiliate links. And top of the description below, I have an Ulsa Tools link. You guys want to go check that out. You guys can get 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order at ulsatools.com. Appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace!